Hi everyone, today we're going to be talking about saxophone microphones and I'm going to be comparing a few and I'm going to be talking through the pros and cons of using each of them in the live and the studio setting. And if this is your first time watching this channel, do go ahead and give it a like and subscribe, and I hope you'll find all the videos here useful in your saxophone journey. And today we're going to be talking about clip-on microphones versus a standing studio microphone. So firstly, I'm going to be talking about the pros and cons within the context of a live performance. There are many people who like the versatility of a clip-on microphone, and that's me for sure when I'm playing live. I like to have the option of moving around and not being restricted by one particular position. So some people prefer the standing microphone for their live performances, as this allows them to control the volume and the textures that they can create by moving further away from the mic or slightly to the left or right. So this gives them various options. In the studio setting, the most common microphone would be the standing studio microphone. This is the industry standard and it allows the sound engineer to position the mic exactly where he or she wants it for that optimal sound. But some people still will opt for a wired clip-on microphone for the studio, as it allows them to be a bit more free and move around so that they do not feel too restricted. The downside of using the clip-on microphone in a recording studio setting is that you will tend to hear a lot of the key sounds, metal clinging sounds of the saxophone, because the clip-on mic is really near and attached to the bell of the saxophone. So this gets a bit difficult for the sound engineer to get a very clean sound from you. And most importantly, we want to hear the sound differences between these two microphones. So the two microphones that I chose today for comparison are very similar. They are both condenser microphones from Audio-Technica. The first one is the ATM350U clip-on microphone, and the next one I'm going to test is the AT4040 condenser microphone. So this is as close as it can get for me to compare these two types of microphones. So do take a listen and let me know which one you prefer and which one you prefer for each type of setting that we mentioned here today.